In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a WhatsApp call. Now, scheduling a WhatsApp call allows you to set an event date for WhatsApp call, either video or an audio. Now, to schedule a call in your WhatsApp, you have to hover to the call tab that is located down on your right hand. Now, when you come here, you see the schedule. So when you tap on schedule, then it will give you an information that you want to fill for your call. So you can just give it a title. So maybe it's an event. So let me just give it annual event. All right, so you can give it a description. It's not compulsory, as you see, it's optional. Then you come to the date section. So we have the date and then the time. So when you tap on the date, you'll be able to set a date. So let's assume maybe the call event will happen on 29th of this month. So I'll set that one, and the time, maybe I want it to start like 8 a.m. So I'll set a time. Then the ending of the section or the event. Probably you can set an ending event or you can leave it by default. Now then, when you finish, you come to the call type. So if it's a video call or a voice call, then you need to choose that one. So in our case, we're going to do a video call. Now, if you want to also allow approval before anybody can join, you can just check this. That means when you check this, if anyone want to join the call, then you have to approve them. All right. So after you are done, you just hit on the send button here. Then you select the contact that you want to include in the call. So you select the contact that you want to invite or include in it, then you just hit on the send. All right, so this is how it's gonna be. So when you come, it has been scheduled. All right, so that's how you can schedule a WhatsApp call. Now, if this video has been very helpful, please subscribe to our channel and also give it a thumb up.